In today's marketplace, the demand for high-quality written content has never been greater. In the past, this often meant usually hiring a full-time employee or freelance professional to make sure your writing was up to par. But utilizing AI tools, now it's never been easier to get great, high-quality written content. And today, I'm gonna go over 5 of the absolute best tools available to make this happen. Let's jump into it, and the first one I wanna talk about is Rytr. Rytr is one of our more affordable entries on our list and is packed with features. Like many other AI writing software, Rytr is built on OpenAI's GPT-3 model. Its user interface is simplistic, making it one of the easiest tools to master. Despite its bare-bones interface, it offers several great writing tools, including rephrasing existing content, writing new content, a grammar checker, and a plagiarism checker. One of the biggest benefits of Rytr over its competitors is the ability to create custom use cases. In addition to templates for blogs, sales pitches, call to actions, social media ads, and more, you can create a custom use case template. This allows users to train Rytr's AI to write in their style. Rytr is an excellent option for those looking to incorporate an AI writing tool on a budget, and they offer a free version with paid monthly plans starting at just $9 a month. So we've got a whole lot of great tools I'm gonna talk about today, and if you wanna check any of them out, go down into the video description below. There you're gonna find links for all of them so you can try them for yourself. Now, if you do decide to make a purchase using any of these links, we may receive a commission, which goes to help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Number 2 on our list is Jasper. Being a big player in the field, Jasper has many tools to make the most novice user sound like a pro. With Brand Voice, you can provide links to the original content you've created, and Jasper will help turn it into a template that writes content based on your unique writing style. Another awesome feature of Jasper includes Jasper Chat, which allows you to ask questions, have dialogue, and spark writing ideas. Additionally, Jasper is king when it comes to templates. With over 70 different content templates to jumpstart your writing, creating content for your blog, website, or social media is fast and easy. If you're looking for a multifunctional AI writing assistant to improve your writing, Jasper can be exactly what you're looking for. If you want to try out Jasper for yourself, plans start at $39 per month. Next up is Copy.ai. Like Rytr and Jasper, Copy.ai is based on the GPT-3 writing model. However, there are a couple of features that help it stand out from its competitors. The first of which is workflows. This allows users to streamline the copy creation process with facts-based AI-powered tools. For example, when creating a new article, you can use workflows to search for a subject, identify competitor keywords, and then write content based on that information. Another useful feature of Copy.ai is Infobase, which allows you to save relevant content for use in your writing projects. If you're a writer looking for a free AI copywriting tool to conduct keyword research on a budget, then Copy.ai is an excellent choice. They offer a free plan with paid monthly plans starting at $49. Number 4 on our list is Writesonic. Writesonic is an advanced AI copywriting tool that helps you create all types of content, including blog posts, landing pages, product descriptions, and more. Based on our experience, Writesonic has one of our list's most natural sounding AI algorithms. Writesonic provides a great tool for marketers looking to create landing pages. Simply provide a project name, description, and 3 points you wish to highlight, and it will generate a landing page design complete with supporting copy. Another great feature is Content Shorten, which helps reduce the word count of your content without sacrificing quality. If you're a content marketer looking for an easy way to write copy for landing pages or ads, Writesonic is the perfect choice. There is a free version available for you to try, with monthly plans starting at $12.67. And finally, the last one on our list is Quillbot. Quillbot is a true AI assistant. It allows you to paste your written content into the editor and check it for plagiarism, correct grammatical errors, and make suggestions to improve your written content. There's also a co-writer feature, which allows you to link to docs in your Google Drive to improve upon them. One of the most impressive features of Quillbot is its translator tool, which allows you to translate your content from English to one of over more than 40 different languages. Another cool feature is the citation creator, which allows you to cite important parts of your content on the fly. Quillbot is an excellent platform for people who need a quick way to improve their written content. Like a lot of the others on our list, there is a free version available with paid plans starting at $8.33 a month. So there you have 5 of the absolute best AI copywriting tools available today. Before you go though, make sure you like this video and and check out some of our other content. We've been doing a lot of videos covering some of the great AI tools available out there, and we'll see you in the next one.